go.
Welcome, friends. We're going to spend a few minutes learning how to turn this bandana into what I think is a very useful toy. Toys can be useful, especially when keeping children quiet. The first thing you want to do with your bandana is make it nice and square, and then fold up right in half, make that triangle. Get it best as you can. It's a pretty good looking triangle. It matches up okay. And then I'm going to go way down to one corner, the length ways, the long ways. And I'm going to fold it in just a little bit, and I'm going to start making just rolling it up straight, making a straight line right there. Roll, roll, roll. Because this is a toy that goes back hundreds and hundreds of years, and even used in our country, especially when mamas would take kids to church, because mamas would have a nice bandana or a handkerchief with them. And if you got to keep a kid quiet in church, this is wonderful. Now you'll notice I'm just doing the other side, just like I did the first side, rolling up to the middle, and the middle you can see has that point on it. The two little triangles at the top. How easy was that? And they should be pretty much like that. I think that's what you're looking for. Now, what you're going to do, you're going to fold this part backwards a little bit, and it needs to look like that. You still got your two triangles. One triangle, I want you to fold forward just a little bit, slip your fingers in there, and grab a hold. Take that other triangle and pull it like so. You pull both triangles, and you will find now in the bottom of your little, there you go, in the bottom of this little hammock are two little babies rolled up in a blanket, and the mama needs to tell the kids right now, it's your job to keep these babies rocking, not let them wake up and disturb everybody in church. Keep them rocking. So friends, I present to you the 18th century fidget spinner. Please enjoy.